next piece. We actually get this question all the time. What does it mean to be an implementer, conductor, persuader, and so on and so forth? So let me just share with you. These are dictionary terms. You can look them up in the dictionary, but I'll go through these and kind of help you see that implementers are fast-paced, they're solution-oriented, they're effective time management. They study and solve problems, very logical, very creative thinkers in the way in which they move through things. They're implementers. Conductors, they're very risk oriented, they're firm and quick, they want authority to carry out their decisions. Persuaders, they're very competitive with others, they want to test new ideas, they want to get results through others. Promoters, they want a lot of people contact, they want solutions to people problems, they tend to find themselves gravitating to those areas. They have a very optimistic outlook and verbal. The relator, they're very team oriented. They want coaching and counseling, services to others. They're very harmonious and they want a harmonious work environment. Supporters are very logical thinkers. They're very systematic. They want to bring closure to things. They bring a very relaxed pace and they're very team oriented. They want to participate as a team. Once again, the coordinator, these individuals are very diplomatic. They bring diplomacy and cooperation to the team, right? They're very routine oriented, very task oriented. Once again, they want guidelines to follow. Why? Because they're coordinators. And then the analyzers, they want facts to analyze, obviously, data. They're very accurate, safety conscious. They're very clean and tidy most of the time. They're very procedure oriented and have high quality standards. We've actually put this will descriptor page up now underneath the free downloads at leadingfromyourstrengths.com or ministryinsights.com, wherever you're visiting. Just simply click on the free downloads. You'll see the will descriptor page. You can print that out, use it, copy it, paste it over into a PowerPoint, whatever's easiest for you in order to communicate what it really means when a team or an individual falls in these particular quadrants. So now let's talk about plotting a team for a moment. Plotting a team on the wheel is very easy to do. You simply have each member step up or a facilitator ask what number that they fall into, and we simply put those plots on the wheel. Once all the plots are on the wheel, it actually forms a picture. So if we look at this picture, we would say that the majority of this team, the cluster of the team, is in the supporter category. Therefore, they're logical, systematic, they bring things to closure, they're very relaxed in their pace and team-oriented. They want team participation and security to make sure that they can follow through and support the ideas in which the team has been charged with. But if we then take in place all of the adapted scores on the team on the wheel, it might tell us a different story. So sometimes people go ahead and plot the stars out. And when they do that, they can actually see the movement of the team just like we can see the movement of another individual. Once again, the further that this thing moves around the wheel, the more energy it's going to take the team to perform. Why? Because they're not necessarily leading from your strengths. Because this team is moving from a very logical, systematic perspective to a very competitive environment, testing new ideas, getting results, persuading, enthusiastic. They're change agents. Remember, supporters aren't necessarily change agents. They're more of the people that are supporting the change. They're planning for change as we talk. So once we have this data platted on the wheel, we can actually then ask those three questions. What are our strengths? What are the gaps in the team? Are there any weaknesses? Does it tell us a story? Should we take any action based on what we've learned? That's the design of the team. 60 statistical plots. It's like looking from a satellite. It gives us the least amount of information about an individual, but it gives us the greatest amount of information about a team. Well, I hope this video series has helped you understand the strengths wheel and look forward to visiting with you next time.